everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a custom 2020 Honda E. This casting is by Hot Wheels and it's new for 2026. Now before I open the casting, I'll show you what the details are. There's something interesting on this car, and if you haven't noticed yet, look at the headlamps. They are negative and positive terminals of a battery. So I don't think in the real life they have dissimilar headlamps, but here they've shown the negative and positive terminal. Interesting, right? Now let's open it up and see how it looks. So here's the Honda E out of its box. I think it looks really good in this paint job. Yellow looks really good, especially being a compact hatchback. Yellow and black looks nice. I'm going to start with the front. So in the front, as seen on the package, it has different looking headlamps, negative and positive. I'm not sure, I haven't seen a Honda E, but I think they just have similar headlamps, not something like this. This is something which Hot Wheels did because it's a custom one. You also get this blacked out front grille without an opening because it's an electric car. Honda badge, looks like fog lamps, splitter at the bottom and a number plate which is Honda. There's a scoop in the hood for why. Slightly flared wheel arches. You got both the windshield wipers and looks like digital mirrors. So you got that. Now the top part of this casting is all plastic or acrylic, whatever material they use for the showing the glass. The lower part is metal. Now I'm gonna go to the driver's side now. So on the driver's side, again you can see some custom elements. You can see those wheel arches which are cut short, just flared. Same goes for the back one. You've got door handle, the front door handle right there. I think these are the one that is shut flush with the door, I guess. And the rear one is in the C-pillar. The top part, as I said before, is all plastic, and they've used different kind of finishes to show the glass and then the black roof as a sunroof on the top. Wheels, we have seen this on so many different mainline Hot Wheels, some of the Hondas before too. They look alright here, don't look bad. Now moving to the back, you can see it's got a spoiler. There's this interesting element where the glass is like there's this big gap here. I don't know if it's on the actual car or just this custom one. But good details in the back too. You can see detailed painted tail lamps, Honda number plate, Honda E badge, Honda badge, and reversing lamps. So a lot of good details here too. The lower bumper has some nice details. It's a nicely detailed mainline casting. That's what I'm going with. Passenger side looks almost identical. I don't know where the charging ports are on this one. Maybe it's in the front, right there. This is how it looks from the bottom. Plastic base, no major details. This is custom 2020 Honda. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting. You can't really see the interior because of the dent, but there is obviously an interior there, which is finished in black. Looks like a nice mainline casting. I think there's already a Honda E, maybe by Matchbox, or I don't know. But it looks nice, looks good, and I think it's a good mainline casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.